Hello, this is GSO.trade. Today I'm going to show how a trader would basically follow our signals from the actual indicator using TradingView or a Telegram channel with signals for index and for Forex. And I'll slightly touch Bitcoin crypto as well, but mainly I want to show what happens, how it actually works from start to finish. I'm actually going to open live real money orders, and you're going to see how it all works. So I'm going to do very small orders, of course, and I set it here as well, indicator to 5 contracts, which is basically going to be 5 stocks. Slippage doesn't really matter here. I'm using a replay option feature in TradingView. So this is in past. This is September 11. I'm basically replaying the day, and I'm just gonna follow it like it would be. Let's pretend like it's a real day. This is Camarilla pivots indicator. You can see the pivots. This is 7-8 a.m. In the morning. The day about to start, so let's just go ahead and start. We have 5-minute time frame, and there you go. We have a long open order, 5 stocks with alerts set up. It would show an alert as well, and it can notify you on the app, TradingView app on your phone. It can send you an SMS message, it can send you an email, but for this particular this is the same as the 5-minute intraday configuration. For this you want to be open the order as soon as possible, because this is intraday day trading basically, as the price doesn't stay like right now. I just paused it. In reality it's going to continue moving, so, and it can move away from here. This is where you'd receive an alert on this candle, the blue one. And as you can see, the price would immediately go a little up, and for long that would be bad, because it goes towards your first take profit, which is this green circle. So you want to open it as soon as possible. However, if you slightly miss it, the signal, and when you check the signal and it's already here, this is good for you basically, because stop loss for this one is this pivot. So you basically reducing your stop loss. So if you're late and the price goes against the position, it's actually better for you. Okay, so this goes for anything, for indexes, for Forex. Let me also show you how it would look. Long position open would look on the Telegram channel. This is the same configuration strategy. It's actually for the same date, so you can see that we basically follow the past. You would receive this on your phone or your computer, whatever. And as you can see, it's a QQQ, time frame 5. It's 5. Long open, entry shows entry price. As you can see, it's very similar. Probably due to the slippage, it may be a little off. So yeah, don't really pay attention to the numbers, as some of the examples I'll show today, they're gonna be different, not exact from the actual day. But the idea is to actually show you what you're gonna see, what to expect. But this is long open, so same way, long open. This is 5 stocks. The Telegram channels do not show you the amount of stocks, because that's up to you to decide. So I use TD Ameritrade for my indexes. I'm gonna go ahead and use this quick open. Let me actually show you the balances, because you need to see what happens. So this is long, so I buy. I'm buying 5 QQQ stocks. Order type should be market, basically meaning immediate. It should process immediately. Time and force day, that's you just don't pay attention. So review order, and you can see there's 0 commission, so it's good. That's what you should be looking for in brokers. This is the cost, how much I'm gonna buy stocks, how much my stocks will cost me. So let's place it. It's filled, so let's see my positions, and as you can see, it the position is open. It's slightly in profit due to slippage, which worked not against me but for me, and that's what we see in our website. Sometimes for this particular broker, sometimes the slippage works for you, so we don't include it in the backtesting results. Well, let's continue. So we opened, and the trade goes a bit the other way, but let's see where it goes. Stop loss. That happens. Did not go our way. That's fine. So let's see how it looks on the Telegram. There you go. Stop loss, long, green circle, red cross, stop loss. That's all you need to know. So I'm gonna close it. And here it's in different brokers. It's similar. I find TD Ameritrade is really good. Like it's really nice how they built everything. So I'm gonna sell 5. I bought 5. I sell 5. Review order. Boom, gone. So that's it. I sold it. I should not have anything. So let's continue further down. So not the best start, but it happens. Boom, another order. Okay, another long. And similar here, another long. Let's open another long. So 5 QQQ. Blah blah blah. Let's open it. Okay. Let me see. Let's make sure it's open. There it is. It's open. See, this time it opened slightly in loss, that's just how it works. That's slippage. So let's see how this trade gonna work. It almost hit the stop loss, but then just, oh look, it keeps trying to hit the stop loss again. But it's trying. Okay, no, that's a little better. It starts this little uptrend. I may rewind this later. Boom, take profit 1. So second trade so far seems to be working well. It never stop loss. It hit take profit 1. Let's see how it looks in the Telegram. There it is, little money thing. Open long TP partial TP1, TP percentage 20%. So what that means? This is a little cheat sheet. That means I have to close 20% of the current trade amount, and the current trade amount is 5 stocks. 20% from 5 is 1. So, and if you use the actual indicator, you can see here right away, -1. So -1, I made some profit. I'm gonna reduce my position by 1 stock. Let's sell 1, review order, place order, filled. Let's make sure it's reflected. There it is. Great. Good start. So let's see where it further goes. Boom. Take profit 2. Nice. So the second trade already making second profit is really good. I bet it would cover the loss already this loss. So let's see how it looks in the Telegram. Here you go. Long TP partial. TP2, take profit 2, percentage 25. So what that means? I mean, that means I need to reduce the remaining part of the trade by 25%. And my remaining trade size is 4 stocks. 25% from 4 is 1. Now, why this is included? Like, why not just say close 1/5? Or, well, basically, that's what it says, 1/5. Oh, actually, it says, I'm sorry, it's 1/4. But yeah, why wouldn't it just say 1/5? Because sometimes those candles, there can be a huge candle which can cover several take profits at the same time, and the easiest way to show it was this way. Basically, to like the easiest to understand was to do this with this approach. It happens rare, really. So, like for this strategy configuration, it's 5 take profits. It's usually always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's almost never immediately several take profits. It's intraday. It's a small time frame, but when it happens, this will help you. This and this little cheat sheet will help you determine how much you need to close. Otherwise, just it would be just one, but just divide your position by 5 and then just close one by one. Well, here's a little explanation, but yeah. So let me just reduce. So I need to reduce my trade by another stock. Let me go ahead and sell another one. There you go. Filled. Let's make sure. Okay, it's 3. So it's 3 remaining. Let's see what happens next. Little reverse. But it's going strong. You might as well take profit 3. Maybe not. There you go. There's a take profit 3 minus 1, so I need to close another stock. Let's scroll and see how it looks on Telegram. Once again, it shows take profit 3. It shows the percentage. It's 34. That basically it's 1/3. It was a bit hard to show exactly 1/3, but I mean, it should be understandable. But yeah, 34% from 3 would be basically approximately 1. So one more stock we need to sell. So that trade goes really well so far. Okay, let's sell one more stock. Let's make sure. So 2 remaining. And that red area means this is power hour already started. As you see, this is 14, basically 2 p.m. Central Time, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. That's when power hour starts. So let's continue. I can tell for certain this trade is gonna close. There it is, in profit, as it's went pretty far. So you had slightly retraced backwards. It closed in profit. As you can see, green square. It was a very nice trade. I can tell you for certain this was a profitable day, even considering there was a stop loss. Let's see how it looks in the Telegram. It looks like this. Little nice, little clock, little money bag, meaning it closed in profit. This is end of day close. So there's this clock, and in here you just close everything there is. There's no need to think how much you need to close. Just the remaining. We still have 2. Let's sell it. Let's review the order. Let's sell it. Let's make sure it's gone. There it is. So There you go. This was a long QQQ trade example. So now let's do a short trade demonstration. I just moved it to a different date. It's September 15th. Let's let it run. There's our short signal, and of course you would receive an alert. Let's see how it looks in Telegram. I actually found, since this has already happened while my Telegram channels were running, you could see it right here. This is a short signal. This is what you would see. Short open, short open. We're gonna do five stocks for position size. So since this is a short, I'm gonna sell short. You need to make sure you choose correct wording, but it's usually the same, really. If you go long, you buy then sell. If you go short, you sell short and then buy to cover. That's usually, it should be similar everywhere. So let's sell short, 5 stocks, market. Let's place order. Let's see if it's there. There it is. This is our short order. We're in position. So let's continue. It looks like a hard down move. Should be take profit one soon. Oh, nope, not yet. It needs to actually close beyond. There you go. Once it closes beyond our take profit line, there it is. Let's see how it looks in the Telegram. There it is. Money, red means we're in short. Take profit 1, percentage 20%. From 5, it's 1. Or in here, it's +1. It's +1 because we need to actually buy back our stock since it's a short position. So we're gonna buy to cover 1 stock. Where did the stock go? QQQ and 1. Let's close it. Let's make sure it's closed. There it is. So our position now remains with 4 stocks. Let's continue. Okay, this seems like this is some heavy flushing. Yeah, it happens. And for our position, for this position, it's really good. You know, just keep on going. We're in short. Let's see how it looks here. Take profit 2, percentage 25, which is correct, which is 1/4 of 4. So +1. Let's buy to cover once again. We're gonna buy to cover another stock for QQQ. Let's review. Let's close it. There you go. 3 remaining. Let's see if it continues falling. There's some retraces, but it seems to be going down. Is it? Okay, it tries. Okay, it keeps getting lower and lower. So, but it tries to some retracement. Like sometimes it can just go up and just like knock you out to stop loss, but there always some heavy initial movement. So there you go. Take profit 3. Let's see how it looks here. This is our take profit 3, TP3, percentage 34%, which is 1/3 basically. So we need to buy to cover 1 more stock. Let's go ahead and yeah, you could do it through here or through here. I mean, it's different everywhere, but yeah, you could do it through here as well. Buy to cover, just make sure you select 1. You don't close the position, because if you close the position, you can't, that's it, you're done. You can't, if it goes down more, I mean, you can open another one, but look at where the stop loss now. So don't do that. If you somehow, you're already here, that's it. Just wait for the next trade. So, okay, let's close it. Let's make sure. There you go. So far this trade goes awesome, and there's some wide. The pivots are pretty on the wide distance. So this is like almost 2 points of travel just from here, and this is almost like 4 points. That would be some great profits. So let's continue. We might as well hit take profit 4. Who knows? It's some heavy flushing and keeps going down. That was close, but yeah, the candle must actually close beyond the level. Yeah, doesn't seem like we're gonna get take profit 4, but that's still, that would be, so this is end of day close. The market is closed. Just make sure when you receive this, you are ready for this, because you're gonna have technically 10. It should be 10 minutes, or actually no, it's you're gonna have 5 minutes, and usually for indexes there's 15 more minutes you still have to close it. Just make sure you're aware you have a position open, as if it's gonna get past 4:15 Eastern time, that's it, and you do not close your position, you're gonna have these 2 stocks left overnight. And depending on what account you use, if you use intraday margin, you're gonna be in trouble. You can have some heavy fees. So watch for this. Once you receive this, make sure you close your position as soon as possible. Also, it may go. Sometimes this at the end of the day, sometimes it may just jump up in the after market hours, or jump. It could jump down, but it could jump up, so you could lose more money. So I don't know what it does here. Doesn't really do anything. So yeah, but in here, 15, that's it. That's it. You can't close it anymore. Let's see how it looks in Telegram. Same thing. It's end of day. Little nice clock. Money means short end of day profit. So let's close it. Looks like I made 22 cents. Some minor fluctuations. So this is short. I want to buy, and here it automatically selects buy to cover, to market, review order, place order, make sure it's gone. There it is. That's it. That's basically how you would trade the QQQ configuration strategy. Just please take a note here. You need equity for this. You need at least $25,000 on your account to be able to trade this intraday. Same way for stocks. And the majority, pretty much any broker has this rule, because this is the actual law. There is a law for this. So not everybody has that, unfortunately. 25,000 equity. So we're gonna go next to Forex examples, where you don't need any equity. You can start with like $100. So we're gonna start Forex in a moment. So Forex, the example I'm gonna show on a pair US dollar Japanese yen, so USD JPY. Let's make sure I'm gonna use 500 lots for each position size. Slippage, I think it's 18 for basically 1.8 pips spread. Average spread, it doesn't matter for our example, but you just, if you're gonna use our indicator, you might just make sure this is there, because it may affect a lot your backtesting. Maybe little, but it adds up, trust me. So yeah, it doesn't matter what we have here. I just need an example of a good trade. It seems like back then it was still there was some problems with configurations, or it was still development. So basically, I'm gonna use a different date in Telegram to show it off. So it's gonna have different numbers here, different dates, but it doesn't matter as long as it shows corresponding signals. We should be fine. So this is my Oanda account. This is where I trade Forex. So let's just go ahead. And this is 15-minute time frame, similar to our configuration strategies available for Telegram signals and to purchase to use with the Camarilla pivot indicator. So let's go. Let's see what we get. Oh, look at that. Drop and then just right back up. Oh, there it is. There's our long, and you would receive it here. And even though this is not intraday, but you want to be pretty quick to open this. So, yeah, if it's already here, just skip the trade, honestly, because unless you want to risk much bigger, but it's not a good thing to do. And it seems like it's going to be quick trade because of the distances of the pivots. At this time, they're pretty short, so it's probably going to be a quick trade. And often Forex trades, even on 15-minute time frames, they can like expand for a week or even more, depending on the current pivot's distance, price distance. So we have a long open. It's gonna look very similar in Telegram, just like for QQQ or anything else. All you need is an instrument, you need a signal, you need time frame, signal, long open, you got all the numbers. So let's go ahead. This is USD JPY, and this is long, so I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna units 500 is our position size. Let's see. So yeah, as you can see, this is the spread, and it's even less than 1.8, but that's an average. That's why it's named average. So let's open. We open the position. It should appear here right now. There it is. This is our USD JPY 500 units. You can see it's immediately in loss because of the spread. So we did open a position. Let's go ahead further. Okay, take profit 1. Yeah, as I mentioned, it's probably going to be quick. We have very short distances. So take profit 1. There it is, 20%. You remember, same way. 1 TP partial, 20%, 20% from 500 is 100. So we're just gonna not close. Just gonna reduce it. Basically, sell 100 units. And let's sell. Okay, successful. There you go. So that's it. Our position is now 400 units. Same way you can see minus 100, 500 minus 100. So it's going to be pretty easy to follow on the indicator, or on the indicator especially. It shows you actual stocks or lots numbers. Let's go further with our Forex trade. There you go. Take profit 2. We hit it. It's gonna look like this here. Same way as QQQ or anything else. Instrument, time frame, long TP partial, TP2, percentage 25, 25% from 400 is 100. So we're gonna sell on 100 more. Oops. And we have 300 remaining. So let's continue. And end of day close. Now for Forex, for our configurations, we usually don't use that. So this is just for the demonstration. So we don't have to go through like a week of trade. So it's gonna usually be either stop loss or take profit 5. Let me see. It's gonna be you're either gonna see long TP remaining, basically closing the remaining of the position. TP percentage 100. You close everything there is. TP 5. That's it. Or it's gonna be a stop loss, like this. SL. Same way. You just close remaining. So we're just gonna close it, and in Wanda you can just where is it? You can just completely close it. That's it. You don't have to calculate anything, and that's it. It's gone. So that's it for the long position. Okay, so a short example, short trade, short forex trade. I'm gonna use Australian dollar US dollar pair, AUD USD. Same thing as the only thing is we don't have any configurations right now for Australian dollar yet for Telegram or even for the actual indicator. So I'm just gonna use British pound. Same thing. Just pretend this is Australian dollar. Look almost the same. So let's go ahead and start. Look at that volatility. Started. There it is. Short open 500. It's gonna look similar to this. Just it's gonna be AUD USD short open 15-minute time frame. So instead of buy, just sell. But we need to switch. Don't make sure you you select correct pair when you do this, because you don't want to open wrong pair and then like, oh, why am I at loss? So AUD USD, we're gonna sell. We're gonna sell 500 units. We are going short. And let's see, there it is. As you see, there's a spread. It's a good spread. It was 1.2, I think. So let it go. Yep. So yeah, we opened. Let's continue. There is a take profit 1. It's gonna look similar to this. Take profit 1, TP percentage, same. Everything is the same. You just you get real quick familiar with it. It's all the same, just either up or down, either partial or completes or stop loss, end of day, or remaining. It's not too complicated. Trust me, you're gonna get a hang of it. So take profit 1 plus 100. Since we're in short, we need to actually buy. So we're gonna buy 20%, which is 100 units. We're gonna buy 100 units of AUD USD. Therefore, we're gonna reduce our trade by 100 units, and we're gonna have 400 units remaining. Let's continue. There's a second one. This should be a short one as well. I specifically chose very short trades to show you quick and easy how it's done. Yeah, I don't think I have this. So yeah, basically it would be take profit 2, same way. TP percentage in here would be 25. You would close 100 more. You're gonna buy 100 more units to reduce the trade. And 300 units remaining. Let's just continue. Let's see where it's gonna go. If it's gonna give us one more or not. It's also set with the end of day close, because yeah, as I mentioned, I want to make sure I want to show you everything quick without. There it is. Stop. So yeah, you're gonna see this, or you're gonna see stop loss. I'm gonna show it to you shortly. So yeah, so end of day close or stop loss. I'm just gonna get rid of the trade. I'm gonna close this. So yeah, you would either see this, basically what you would see for Forex. It's usually does not have end of day close, so we're just gonna turn it off. Whatever, I'll leave the schedule. So you can see the trades become much bigger and longer, and that's what you want, really. So as you can see, you're either gonna see take profit 5, it's a good trade, or you're gonna see a stop loss. This is a short stop loss. For example, there's a short trade. It took partial profits and then short. So you're gonna see stop loss, and you're gonna just cancel. You're just gonna close, yes, or take profit. If it's take profit 5, like here, you just same way. You just close the remaining. That's it for Forex and for indexes. So for Bitcoin, I have really quick demonstration. I do not have any funds to actually open live trades, but you got the idea of how it's done on QQQ and on Forex. So there was a stop loss. I see this is a remaining of the trade, so it took 2 profits already because our order size is 500. For Bitcoin, this is too much, and Bitcoin really, unless you have a lot of money, you're gonna have to margin trade it. So you can either use this, depending on your margin, what kind of margin you have, and so on. But let's pretend we're gonna buy 5 Bitcoins each position. So yeah, so basically, basically same thing. Long open here, but it would be just Bitcoin. Everything is absolutely the same. And like this is Coinbase trading, you would just 5 Bitcoins, you just market, buy. Same thing. Just keep I don't see, doesn't show me any estimations, but it's really cool. It's gonna show you estimated fee, estimated slippage. I don't know why it doesn't show anything. Okay, I guess I didn't like that it's 5 Bitcoins. It's too much. So slippage 0%. So this is really good. There's no slippage. There is a fee, $1 from average price. So this is less than % of the fee. So that's pretty good, really. Because your order, if your position will be 0.005 Bitcoin, it's against US dollars, it's gonna be $137 with $1.09 fee. This is definitely less than 1% of the fee. This is pretty good. Just keep in mind, like this example, for example, keep in mind that this move from here to take profit first is $394 move of Bitcoin. It's gonna be like several dollars here. So you need either margin account to actually get some. I mean, it's still good to practice, but the fees will may eat your profits, because you either need to have longer trades, or like I said, you need the margin account. Otherwise, it's the same concept. So this is it for this guide. Please use the contact form, or you can ask in comments if you have any questions. This is a long video, but I tried to include every possible detail. This is more for people who never traded. Like, what do I do? That's how you do it. So yeah, feel free to ask any questions. I'll be happy to answer. And safe trading. Bye.